Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about something which has really changed my mindset, and that something is, surrounding yourself with your dream. So let me give you a quick example by which you'll understand this thing totally. So if suppose you have a dream, you have to travel somewhere, you have to settle in that country. You have that kind of dream. Okay, let us take for example the country is Japan. If suppose that is your dream of living there, so surrounding yourself with your dream, by that I mean is like following the YouTubers, those are living in that country, or following the vloggers or people that are living in that country might help you. You know what, this has immense benefits. Let me tell you, the first benefit is of doing this thing is you don't forget your dream. Or you always have that thing in your mind that I want to make this real, I want to make my dream into reality. And for that you have naturally feed your subconscious mind by doing this, that we have to do this and we have to work for this. So your subconscious mind will automatically start working towards your dream, and it will start aligning your actions and decisions with that dream. So you will work for that dream. And the second benefit for this is, you know what, you stay inspired, you stay always motivated for that particular dream. And even if on low energy days, if you know see Instagram or just scroll through Instagram, you'll see that dream, you'll see those peoples who are living there in that country. And you will, I guess, quickly put your phone off and do something. At least for 5 minutes you will study, and you'll be like, yes, I have done something today even on my low energy days. And I guess the third benefit of doing this thing is, you know you make that dream turn into an reality. And this is true, when you have that vision of your dream life, and you have that vision, then you see it daily, you always think about it daily, then it becomes a reality. And this is true, this is really true, guys. So this has immense benefits of doing these things. I guess the fourth and the most important benefit of doing this is, like, you learn more about your dream or whatever you want in your life. Like for example, like I mentioned earlier, you will learn about, if you follow those vloggers, you'll learn about what kind of lifestyle in Japan is, and you'll slowly start picking up the habits, the lifestyle, and knowing about their culture, and slowly you start up picking things or some language words too. So yes, this is the benefit of surrounding yourself with your dream. So I guess you like this video and you get my advice. So yes, that is it for today's video, and thank you for watching and keep watching.